If you are looking for a remedy that will help you to boost your hair growth, thicken up your hair, grow your hair fuller, longer and healthier, control your hair fall, itching scalp, dandruff, hair breakage, repair your damaged hair, regrow your hair in cross section, thicken up your hair and make your hair more fuller and healthy, this recipe is for you. This recipe is for those that need faster hair growth. This recipe will boost your hair growth like never before. This recipe have helped me a lot on my hair growth journey. So please, if this video sound like what are interesting, if you really want to boost your hair growth faster, watch this video to the end and do not skip any part of this video so that you don't miss the important part of this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. My first ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. If you have been taking dry rosemary leaf ungranted or fresh rosemary leaf ungranted, please do not take them ungranted. If you really want to grow your hair faster, try to incorporate rosemary leaf on your hair, whether fresh leaf or dry one. Rosemary leaf is very powerful, very potent in growing our hair. Please do not let down on rosemary leaf. It's very powerful to grow your hair like never before. Rosemary boosts hair growth, improve circulation to the hair follicles, act as antioxidant, improve scalp health and strengthen hair, help prevent against hair loss. Rosemary contains antioxidants and the anti-inflammatory property that stimulates hair growth and reduce hair fall. So I make use of 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Moving on to my second ingredient is cloves. Cloves is another miracle plant that we are blessed with. Cloves is very powerful in growing our hair. Cloves is wonderful in hair growth. Cloves can boost your hair growth with no time, with consistent use, and if you use it in a correct way, you will never regret using cloves on your hair. Cloves enhance blood circulation. Cloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles, activate and encourage hair growth. Cloves contains minerals and vitamins and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall healthy hair growth. Moving on to the next step is to bring my jar. Make sure the jar you're using is clean, okay? I'm using a bottle jar. I will transfer my mix of cloves and rosemary into the bottle jar. Next thing I will do is transfer in my hot water. Make sure that you're using very hot water and do not pour this hot water too much, okay? If you add much water, it made the ingredients less potent, but if you add less water, it make the ingredient more potent. As you can see, I just add less water on this ingredient. At this moment it's very hot, so I will keep it away to infuse for 12 hours. After 12 hours, this is what we got so far. So I will grab my strainer to strain it. Do you see how the color have changed? Mean that it had infused very well. All the nutrients of rosemary and cloves have extracted into the water. If yours did not color this way, meaning you did not got it very well, you can infuse this overnight, meaning 24 hours or 12 hours. I choose to do my 12 hours. After then, I will transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application and cover it. Our magic solution tea spray is ready. This tea spray is not joke, guys. This tea spray got a lot of benefit on your hair. So this is how my hair is. I'll show you how to apply this tea spray on your hair for your hair not to get dry and for you to have good results after using it. So first thing is to hydrate this on a clean hair. Make sure that your hair is fresh washed. Use this from your scalp to the strands of your hair. apply it generously, and make sure after applying it, make sure that you give yourself a gentle scalp massage. Keep on watching to see what I do next to avoid dryness on my hair, okay? To avoid this to dry my hair, and also for it to do what it's supposed to do on my hair. Second way to use this tea spray for best result is final thing rinse. After all your wash day, after doing everything on your wash day, you will do this the last step. Pour it all over your hair. Make sure that you pour it very well all over your hair. Massage your scalp, squeeze out excessive water on it. Massage your scalp. If you have steaming cap, you can use steaming cap to steam it for 30 minutes. But if you don't have steaming cap, use your plastic bag or shower cap, cover it up to an hour, then remove it. If you like, you can rinse it out, but if you ask me, I will tell you not to rinse it out, okay? Follow up with your moisture routine. This herbal tea is crazy, and make sure you moisturize the hair once you remove your shower cap or your heat cap. And if you want to style your hair, go ahead and do other necessary things you need to do. Guys, do you see how my hair is? This recipe have really grown my hair so well. This recipe have contributed to healthy hair on my hair. This recipe is a magic recipe. This recipe will give you all you need when used correct. I repeat again, when used correct. Combination of these two ingredients, they are so magic. They are so effective in giving you healthy hair, reducing your hair fall, brittle hair, help to repair your damaged hair, help to control your itchiness, help to control your hair fall, help to thicken up your hair, help to boost your hair growth with no time. How many times can you apply this tea spray on your hair for best results? Use this tea spray 3 times in a week. If you choose, you can also use it as a challenge. You can apply this tea spray on your hair every day for 1 week or 2 weeks. You are good to go. And also, if you have, whether your hair is on protective hairstyle or not, make sure that you use this tea spray on your hair, okay? Spray it on your hair. But if your hair is not in protective hairstyle, work in session to make sure that you saturate this on your scalp and the strands of your hair very well, okay? So after using it to hydrate my hair, do you see how my hair is? How to make this tea not to break your hair, not to dry your hair, is follow up leave-in condition. Once you apply this, please and please make sure that you use a good leave-in condition to see in that moisture. It will help not to break your hair, because a lot of people complain gloves break their hair. One of the reasons why gloves will break your hair is not moisturizing your hair after applying it on your hair. Make sure that you use a good leave-in condition. Follow up with your oil, or you can still follow up with your butter. Make sure that you give it a very good moisturize. If you are using leave-in condition, please don't apply leave-in condition on your scalp. Leave-in condition, stop bottle leave-in condition did not made for the scalp. It made for the strands of the hair, okay? As you can see, I'm using Mega Growth Strengthen leave-in condition. I'm not applying it on my scalp. I focus on the strand of my hair and also on the tips of my hair. Also, whenever you're applying leave-in condition on your hair, make sure you give tips of your hair tender caring, okay? After doing that thing, after moisturizing the hair, you will see whenever you take down the protective hairstyle, your hair will not be break, okay? So another thing again, once after doing it, use oil to rub on your scalp. Use your homemade oil or any oil you have at home. Use it on your scalp, okay? A good oil to see in the moisture and also to prevent dryness of cloves on your hair, for cloves not to have way to dry your hair. Why cloves will dry your hair? If you just apply this thing, you did not do these things them that I'm talking about, you did not apply leave-in condition and the oil, it will dry your hair. But if you use leave-in condition and oil to see in the moisture and apply oil on your scalp and also on the strands of your hair will never get dry, okay? If you are using it every 3 times in a week, make sure you always moisturize the hair whenever you use it. But if you want to use it as a challenge, you can apply the leave-in condition today, the next day don't apply leave-in condition, can use oil just like that until you end the challenge, okay? So how to store this? Store this in your refrigerator. Once it's 5 days, anyone that remaining, discard it. Despite if you have light steady, please do not use it when it's more than 5 days. It have lose importance. Another thing, make sure that you tuck your hair away, okay? It's very important. It also helps to keep the moisture away. Please, if you have watched this video up to this point and you have not given me thumbs up, please like this video for me. It really encourage me and it also help the growth of this channel. Thank you so much. And also, if you are not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This will be closing today's video. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please feel free to let me know in comment section below. And when you try this recipe, I would like to know your results. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.